In the next how-to video, we're going to talk about how to run a report. Reports are important features inside of TriviaHub Live that will allow you to keep an eye on how your business is performing across multiple areas. In order to run a report, we're going to go ahead and click on this Reports tab. Inside of here, you do see that there's multiple reports that could be run and are available, and there will be additional reports that will continue to be added to the system. We're going to go ahead and just click on this game's performance summary report. As you click on this report, you'll see that you're going to have one-to-many options. Inside of here, you'll have the option to pick a date range, either over the last week, the last month, the last year, or you can also choose this to pick a custom date range. We're going to go ahead and just pick over the last month, and then we're going to click this Generate Report button. That's now going to run the report for us, and you'll see that this report now pulls in all games that have been played, the category of that game, some details of the game, rounds and questions, and then it's going to start to pull together some data for that. How many locations was that game played at? How many events was that game played at? What's the average score that teams were scoring? Was this a really hard game? Or was it an easy game? And then what was the average number of teams that showed up for every time that game was played? So these are some really important statistics that can help you understand how well your games are doing inside of your trivia business. If you want to go back to the options page and maybe pick a different date range, you can go ahead and click Return to Options. The other thing that you'll be able to do inside of TriviaHub Live is you can export this data out if you want to use it in a different way. For example, if you want to create a PDF and use that to share with other team members, you can go ahead and download a PDF. If you want to take this data and maybe manipulate it, filter it, or change it, or maybe create a graph, you can go ahead and download that in an Excel version. In order to do that, all you'll do is click on the button. You'll see that in the bottom of your browser, the file will show up. When you click on that file, it'll just open it up automatically inside of the system that you have set up for that. So in this case, it opened it up in Adobe. If you had downloaded an Excel document, it would open that up in Microsoft Excel. And that's how you run a report inside of TriviaHub Live.